Welcome to Magnolia's March Craft Club. Let's unbox your kit. Inside you'll find a clear sealant sample, burnishing tool, foam brush, coaster stand, 4-pack of coasters, and the nesting bird rub-on transfer. First, let's put together your coasters. Take each cork piece and peel off the sticker backing. Line it up with the white wooden coaster and stick it down. Repeat this for all 4 coasters so each one has a cork base attached. Next, grab your rub-on transfer, cut apart each design, peel off the backing and line it up on your coaster, place it down. Using your burnishing tool, rub from the center outward. Take your time here. This step is all about making sure the transfer fully adheres. Once it's secure, carefully peel off the top vellum layer. Smooth down the edges. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 designs and coasters. Each one will look unique and beautiful. Once all 4 coasters have their designs, it's time for the sealant. Knead your clear sealant well. Using your foam brush, apply a thin, even layer over each coaster. Let them dry for about an hour, then add a second thin layer. 2 layers in total will protect your design and give it a lovely finish. After the sealant dries completely, place your coasters in the included coaster stand. And that's it. Your nesting bird coasters are ready to enjoy or to gift, gorgeous, functional, and totally crafted by you. We would love to see how yours turn out. Be sure to post and tag us. We can't wait to see your creations. And we're so excited to craft with you again next month.